Next on the workbench is a Nintendo Switch. This one came from a donation lot. There was a lot of crap in there, but I've been able to fix a few of them. This system charged and turned on, so I started doing a visual inspection and thought, what could be the matter? And I'll show you what's the matter. This is the connector for the SD card reader, and you can clearly see there's a missing pin there, so the SD card reader is not going to work. Consider that must have been outside the expertise of the guy who was working on this, but it's no problem. I got to get the board out of the system here, get it taken apart, and then we'll show you how we replace that. Okay, so to accomplish this repair, we're going to be heating from underneath. I want to put down a little bit of flux. Oh geez, I just moved a part. Okay, let's... put that part back. Alright, that one was being a little bit squirrely on me. Anyway, no matter. I'm going to put a little bit of flux down. I'm not going to re-tin these. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And let's just grab my donor part and drop it right there. What do you think? We want it to be straight. Oops. See, if you're doing this, you got to try to not tap everything like I'm doing. We've actually had a really long day. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to remove the heat. And what we'll do is we'll reassemble and see if it reads an SD card. Be right back. Take 10 minutes for me, but it'll be instant for you. Okay, I got it put most of the way back together and turned on. Got the SD card reader. It's plugged in. We're going to put this in. And we immediately get a SD card message. Says delete this if you want to use it. We'll go ahead and do that. All right, let's check the storage, data management, and I've got free space on a micro SD card. And that's a job done. So, you know, when your SD card fails, first thing, try a new SD card. Second thing, try the SD card reader. You just got to take the back cover off, and it's right there held on with one screw. But when you take that off, look at the connector on the motherboard for damage. And if there's damage, then you got to replace that part. I end up not doing a lot of those. I think it would be easy money, but turns out a lot of people don't want to pay for that service. It bills at the same rate as like replacing a USB port because it's full teardown, replace the part. And you know, unlike a USB port where it renders the system totally unusable, SD card reader only renders it kind of unusable, but still mostly usable. So when presented with the pricing for replacing that part, some people just say, I don't need extra memory. And so I don't end up doing a lot of those. But this is now inventory that we get to sell and make money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, visit, blah, blah, blah.